Youssef,
Yes, Alois?
we need to simply explain in 3 minutes max why Graiphic is amazing.
Okay, let's start to say that Graiphic is a full and easy to use AI dev ecosystem. Offers an innovative, simplified, new way to quickly design, train and deploy any deep learning model. First of all, it's important to understand what LabVIEW is. LabVIEW is the only graphical computer language, and like any computer language, it has a set of instructions, an ecosystem of libraries, and a compiler guaranteeing its deployment on a wide range of hardware. Let's take an example to better understand with AIBAL, the LabVIEW Deep Learning Toolkit. By simply dragging and dropping layers on your desktop to design your graph, AIBAL allows you to design any deep learning model. Here you have now an autoencoder. The autoencoder can be used to reconstruct an image from a noisy image. Now we have designed it. All we have to do is to run it and observe how it works with the data flow. And now you understand the principle. Let's see what it really gives. It's pretty simple when you think about it. Just drag and drop program instructions into the LabVIEW diagram in a very intuitive way. Here our user adds a neural layer to their model. And of course you have a complete choice of neural layer, but our user will use a simple dense layer and connect it in a very intuitive way. Now that the parameterization of this new layer is completed, just run the program and look at the results. A complete summary of the model that is generated. We can, during the execution of the program, place props to control the operations. And we can also simply look at the user interface on which we have already placed indicators. LabVIEW is not a simple tool, it's a flow programming language, and to convince yourself, simply activate debug mode. Graiphic toolkits benefit from all of these advantages and allow their user to develop more than just models by integrating them into complete architectures. The great advantage of this new way of thinking is the ease of accessibility to users who are not necessarily programming experts. And of course, we can import models from other frameworks into our ecosystem. To access this new world, the keyword is simplicity, and that's why we offer one-click installation of environments with our Toolkit package manager. The Graiphic ecosystem is aimed at the 500,000 people skilled in LabVIEW, the already existing AI community, as well as engineers, researchers, and students wishing to learn deep learning in an easy way. And for better understanding, we have strived to constantly update our documentation and illustrate it with examples that can be used directly by drag and drop. Steps already done are big, and we will continue by improving our toolkits.
We will also focus on the Graiphic community by opening the ecosystem to third-party publishers and by adding cloud AI service, a sharing platform, and other surprises.
We will also add new toolkits to Graiphic. The future will be reinforcement learning, GNN, robotics, FPGA, an entire program.
And you can get on board if you have talent and/or money. So join us.